Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok taking a lot of storage in your device. This can work on Android and iOS. This is how to do it. Open your TikTok app, navigate to your profile and click on the three lines at the top right corner. Now click on settings and privacy. From here you have to scroll down and look for the cache section. Click on free up storage. As you can see right here, I have 1 gig of cache which I need to be cleared. I have a cache of 300 megabytes and download files of 124 megabytes. This will be different from yours depending on how long you have had TikTok installed on your device. So for you, it might be 5 gig, it might be 10 gig, depending on how long you have had TikTok installed on your device. So if you want to clear them, you have to click on clear. It will ask you, do you want to clear this cache? Click on clear. Now it will clear that one up. If you want to go ahead and do that to your downloads, you can click on clear. This includes your offline downloads. Now click on clear also. And now you can see that both of them are now on 0 megabyte. So this is how to free up space on TikTok and clear the cache storage. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.